If you're looking to cheap out on LinkTree, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite top 5 LinkTree alternatives to save you cost. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end because I'm sure you would like number 1. And without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our LinkTree alternative list is Campsite Bio. To use Campsite Bio, simply sign up for free. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description. You can manage your link appearance, analytics, and URL. It's easy to customize this LinkTree alternative. In the appearance tab, you'll be able to manage your profile, theme, header, button, social accounts, settings, collaboration, URL, and domain. So you're still going to find the same features in this section. So here, if you click on profile, it's simply just going to take you to the profile section. So here you can select your site title. So I have chosen Michael's Digital World, which is what you're going to see in the preview in this section. You get your intro text in this section. You can also include locations. So if you wanted to customize your themes, you can simply just scroll to the bottom or click on themes in this section. Here you'll be able to select between their free and paid themes. So if you decide to upgrade, you'll be able to select some of these themes. You can click on any theme and it's going to be applied in this section. So once you've set the theme, you can click on header. You can select different layouts in this section. You can also customize the button settings, the carousel settings, social accounts, and platforms. It's quite simple. All you just have to do is click on this and select the logo to any of the social media accounts you want to add, or you can search by name in this section. Once you've selected, copy the URL to the social media account and paste it in this section. If you want to add more social media accounts, click on add accounts, and then a new social media account section will be created. This is just for social media links at the bottom of the page. If you want to add URL to your page, it's simple. Scroll to the top and then click on link. In the link section, you'll be able to add any link that you want by simply just adding your link title and pasting your link in this section. So let's say you're done with customization and want to copy the link to your URL. Simply come to this section and click on share. You can copy my profile URL. You can change my username if the username that you want to use is available, and you can see my profile QR code, so people can scan your QR code and take you directly to the link. Copy the link, and if you go to that link, it's going to load exactly what you have created on your profile. Moving on to number 4, the next LinkTree alternative we have is Tap Bio. Tap Bio's method of building a LinkTree is by using a card system. You're going to have a card, and the card is already going to have a template for whichever link you want to promote. And this is how it works. You can create as many links as you want, and in this section you want to click on this plus icon. You can either go for a simple sale, which allows you to promote a single sale to action. You can link direct followers, multiple links from single cards. You can collect emails to help you grow your audience. It can display a Twitter poll, your YouTube videos, and then image from your gallery. So now I'll show you how I was able to create this. That when I click on this, you can scroll down and see a collection of my YouTube video. Click on the plus icon and then scroll down to YouTube. Click on YouTube, and here it's going to ask you to paste your YouTube username, channel ID, or video URL that you want to promote. Go to YouTube and copy your channel URL. Then paste it in this section and click on save. Your channel videos are going to be pulled up. You can click open in app to take you directly to YouTube and play your video, and the person can subscribe directly from here. If you want to see your other cards, you can click on this to take you directly to any of your cards that are available. You can merge all your existing cards by clicking on edit card, and here you'll be able to change the color, upload an image, design the background however you want, which after then you'll be able to save. If you want to publish and unpublish a card, you can click here to publish and also click here to unpublish. Here you'll be able to view the analytics of the card and link that you have, the photo click, the link click, and then the impression it has had. If you want to manage extra features such as your username, you can come to this section and click change username, and you can apply for a new username. If you want to copy your link, you can come to copy profile link here and then copy. There are so many other things you can do here, such as you manage your card. Here you'll be able to see the links that are available. You can publish and unpublish and then rearrange the cards however you want in this section. When I upload a URL, it will look something like this. So the person will be able to navigate from one card to the other and then go through all the collections of videos that you have. And when you click on the link, it's going to take them to any web page that you want them to be taken to. If you're looking for a LinkTree alternative that is way easier to customize, then number 3 is for you. You can sign up on shelby.com to use this LinkTree alternative. And to manage this is easy. Once you have successfully signed up, here you can manage your messenger. So simply click here, and here you'll be able to add your favorite messaging platform such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, many more, and even your mobile number. Any messaging platform you add is going to be in this section. And you can add many more blocks. So click on add block, and here you'll be able to add button and cards, subtitle text, dynamic feed, and even a countdown. But the countdown is a pro feature. So to add a button that takes you to a website, click on add button cards, and here you'll be able to paste the URL. So go to the website you want to promote, or you want to add this link to the bio, and copy the URL. Once you have copied the URL in this section, paste the URL, and you can select from their packs of icons. You can do other things such as customize how the card is going to look. There are different card formats in this section. So once you have found one that best fits your design, you can select if you want it to pop. You can hide, and you can also schedule. Once you're done, click on this to save, and this is what you're going to have. Just below this, you have these 2 icons, Facebook and YouTube. Click on any one of them, and here you'll be able to add any social media links that you want. You can also reorder them however you want. Once you are done with all your changes, click on publish. And once you have published, you're going to see your link in this section. So click on this to copy the link, or click here to take you directly to your new page. You can also do other things such as select the theme. Click on settings, and here you can find themes. So any theme you choose is going to be applied in the background. There are also gradients in this section. Click on settings if you want to set the color code, and once you are satisfied, you can save and it will be applied to your page. On number 2 of this list, this tap link. Tap list allows you to customize by choosing templates, modifying the page however you want, and then you can publish. First thing you need to do is to choose a template. They have tons of templates that you can select, and you can also search for a template within a category. In this section here, you can also find other categories related to whatever you want to search for. Once you have found a template, click on the template and click on choose. Click on yes to modify your current page. On the modify page, you'll be able to customize the page however you want. You'll be able to move elements from one section to the other, and you can also click on them to edit them. So for example, in the image section, you can click here and upload an image. Find the image on your computer or on your root directory on any device you're using, and then click on save changes. Here your image is going to be at the top, and if you want to write a text, you can come to this section and write a text. If you want to write the name of a channel, you can input it in this section. You can customize whatever is written in this section however you want. So here you'll be able to customize the heading style. If you want it to be small heading, medium heading, and then large heading. You can also select the font style in this section and the orientation. You can bold, italic, and many more. You can also select the font color here. Once you're done with all the changes, click on save changes. And this is immediately going to be applied to your bio link. If you don't want a particular element to show, click on the element and then come to this section where it says action. Click on delete and then delete. So that is going to take it out of that particular page. I'm going to customize this page and let's see the final result. I have edited the page a little bit to my satisfaction. Let's say you want to add a link to a page. Click on add block and you can see some of the free features that you can use, such as text, link, divider, avatar, frequent and asked questions, media and text. So if you want to link to a page, click on links. So the heading I have chosen is go to YouTube. So we're going to come back to YouTube here and copy the channel URL and then paste it in this section. And once pasted, you can come to this section where it says action and click here. Here you have actions such as website, internal page, call, send SMS, send email, and many more. Click on save changes, and this is going to be a button on your page. So we do have our page, which is Michael's Digital World. Explore the limitless possibilities of the digital landscape. For collaboration and cooperation, go to YouTube. That isn't right, so I'm just going to drag this to this section. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click on publish, and in this section it's going to ask you for a username. Once you have done that, click on connect, and data has been saved successfully. To copy the link, click on copy link, and if you open this page, this is what your web page is going to look like. At the top of this LinkTree alternative list is Koji. Koji is an amazing platform. Koji is like a LinkTree alternative that is on steroid. I currently use Koji, and Koji allows you to just do more than add links to your bio. So for example, here is my link in bio, which this will take you to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can ask me any question, request a shout out, support my channel, and you can do all of this for free. With Koji, you can sell anything online, collect donation, engage with customers, use affiliate tools, own your audience, and they also have community templates and display content. So there are so many things you can do. I have a link in the description that is going to show you how to use this LinkTree alternative. And it's very easy to use Koji. You can customize the content, the style, and one unique feature about Koji is that you can import them from another profile. In the content section, you'll be able to upload your profile image or your logo. You can add multiple social links as you want, such as email, phone, Clubhouse, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. And finally, you can also add profile link. In the style section, you'll find more things that describe you and your audience, and you can customize themes as you want. You can choose a theme, background, buttons, and you can also select fonts. So thank you guys for watching my top 5 LinkTree alternatives, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.